Hello everyone, in today's video we have this interesting problem. We have a plus ab plus b is equal to 2020 and we have to find the value of a plus b where a and b are positive integers. But before we begin, if you are new here, please consider subscribed, and if you have done that already, thanks a lot for supporting us. Now let's get started. First, let's consider the left hand side of the equation. You realize that if we group some of the terms, we can factor out something. For example, if we group AB plus B, we can factor B out. Or, if we group A plus AB, we can factor out A. So in either ways, it's going to work. So let's maintain this and then factor out A. So we're going to have A times 1 plus B is equal to 20. Now you can see the equation is not looking good, is it? Now let's look at this equation very well. You realize that we can't factor out anything again. So the only option we have is to put in a magic number. What do I mean? From here we have 1 plus b, and then this part we only have b. But as soon as we add a magic number, in my case 1, to this b, we're going to have 1 plus b, 1 plus b. So we can take out 1 plus b, right? So let's go ahead and then do that. We're going to have a times 1 plus b plus b plus 1 is equal to whatever you do to the left hand side of the equation, you must do the exact same thing on the right. Now, we can group this b plus 1 and then rewrite it so that it will look nicer. So we're going to have a times 1 plus b plus 1 plus b is equal to 21. Now we have 1 plus b, 1 plus b, so we can take it out. We're going to have 1 plus b times, here we are left with a, then this part we are left with 1. And this is equal to 21. From the question, we are restricted. A and b are positive integers. What it means is that a and b are all greater than or equal to positive 1. Now, since a and b are both greater than or equal to positive 1, it means that from here, b starts from 1 and then a also starts from 1. So the whole of this one, we are going to have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So it means that the whole of this one must be greater than or equal to 2. Likewise, from here, since a starts from 1, we're going to have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So the whole of this one must also be greater than or equal to 2. Let's go ahead and then find the factors of 2021. We can have 1 times 2021. We can also have 2021 times 1. We can have 43 times 47. Or we can have 47 times 43. But from these conditions, all the factors multiplying must be greater than or equal to 2. From here, you can see we have one of the factors to be 1, which is less than 2. So it means you are not going to consider these factors. Then from this side, we also have 1 in it, which is less than 2. So we are not going to consider this one as well. Now let's consider these factors. We can form a couple of equations from these. We can have 1 plus b, which is the same as b plus 1, because addition is commutative, to be 43, and then a plus 1 is 47. Or we can also have b plus 1 to be 47, and then a plus 1 to be 43. And from the question, we are supposed to find the value of a plus b, right? Which is the same as a plus 1 plus b plus 1. You realize that I have added 2 to the right hand side of the equation. So let's go ahead and then subtract 2 from here so that it will balance, right? Now, let's put these ones into parentheses, so that in place of a plus 1, we're going to put 47. So we're going to have a plus b is equal to 47 plus b plus 1 is 43. So we're going to have 43, then minus 2. So what it means is that a plus b is equal to 88. Or from here, we're going to have a plus b is equal to a plus 1 is 43. So we're going to have 43 plus b plus 1 is 47 minus 2, which is still 88. So guys, it means that the value of a plus b is 88. You can check out my other videos here. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.